Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how I create my book, the life planner that I use in order to organize my entire life. And I wanted to make one on camera with you all so that you could see exactly how I have set this up and how I use it. So this book has been created over some time. I have been adding stuff to it over the past 3 years, and since I have been adding stuff to it for so long, I know it was very confusing to many of you on how to create or duplicate what I have done. Over the past 3 years, I have created multiple planners. I have an hourly, a vertical, a budget planner, and also a monthly planner. And what I wanted to do today is show you how you could create this own system on your own if you have all of my downloads, or show you how you could purchase it if you just want it to be all set and created for you and just mailed to you. So I'm going to put this one on the side, and we are going to create our own. So this is going to be the cover of the planner, and this is because the leather cover that I have on my planner, it is on Amazon. So I will usually switch between two covers, and that is my tool cover from Amazon, which I will have linked in the description box, and also the Nautique cover that I use. But the main cover to the planner is going to be this particular cover, and this is the Tom 90 planner. And the reason why I decided to create this system is because it's so many other planners that I have created in the past that make up my system. So I just decided to rename it in case you wanted to just get everything that I currently have in that book. So within this system, you will get this cover, black disc. These are the expandable black discs. These are 1.5. And you're going to get 3 months of 4 planners. So this is the hourly planner. This is the vertical planner, the monthly planner, and the budget planner. And so the idea here is that you are able to switch up and use whatever planner you need for whatever life category you have. I mainly use my hourly planner as my life planner. This is my catch-all one. I will use my vertical planner for my business and for my personal side of everything that I need to do for our home. I will use my monthly planner for reading and keeping up with book things, and I will use my budget planner for my money. But that's how I use it. Of course, you can adjust and change and make it fit your needs. So in this video, I wanted to show you how you could put this planner together and show you how it will look, because each one of these things will come separately. So I will package them all together, and then when you get this package, you will see all of the different pieces. And I'll talk about the add-ons in a bit and show you the other things that you can add into your planner. The first thing that I'm going to do is add the disc. Now with this planner, I did want to make it 3 months, which is why I have the expandable disc here, because I knew I wanted to create at least 3 months of each planner. So when you get the planner, you first want to put on the disc, and then the next thing that you want to do is arrange it how you want it. You will get dividers that will come with the planner. I don't have them as of yet. I'm still waiting on my package to get those in. So I am just going to use some tool dividers just for the sake of this video, but the dividers that you will get are going to be clear and frosted. So the second thing that I'm going to do is add in these dividers, and then we will start adding in the different planners, and I'm going to flip through it to show you what it looks like. You will get 5 dividers in each one. And this is just so you can categorize your life. Okay, so now that all of the dividers are in, we are going to go section by section. Now, I'm going to set it up the way that I normally would like it, but of course, you can move any of these sheets around to make it fit your needs. The reason why it's called the Tom 90 Planner is because it's a planner that's going to help you plan for 90 days. So for an entire quarter, for 3 months, you have everything that you need in this one book. And if you have the downloads, then of course you can print more. Punch them with a tool hole puncher, and then you can just kind of keep going. So this is the hourly planner. This is the first planner that is within this system. And as you can see, it looks exactly like my life planner. You do have a goal sheet where you can add in all of your goals. You have your future planning sheet. You have your planner routine and all of your other routines. And then it goes into the months, and you get your monthly page, and then you have your monthly calendar and the weeks. And so it starts at 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. and you have 3 months of planner in here. You're able to plan for the entire quarter for 90 days before you have to switch it out. The next planner that I created was the vertical style planner. So we are going to put that one in here. I will mainly use this for business, for personal things that I have going on, for home things, and also for my faith. This is the planner that I have been using. The great thing about this system is that everything is undated, and you can switch the subjects of these planners very easily because nothing is themed. I didn't want any themes. I really wanted to keep this very, very simple so that you could plan and decorate and add stickers and do everything that you wanted to do within this planner. Okay, so let's flip back so I can show you the vertical planner. With the vertical planner, you do have your monthly plan here, and then it goes into the monthly calendar page, and then you have your weeks. You have 3 boxes here. This last box is a little bit longer than the other 2, and I did that on purpose because I did want to have an additional room here and not cut it off too short. But as you can see, it is very clear, it's very clean, and that's so you can add your stickers, add your decoration, add anything that you want on the side, and not feel too constricted by the design that is set on the page. Once again, you get 3 months, so you have 3 months of vertical planner within here, and then you have your notes page on the back, last page here, and it is 3 months. So that is the vertical planner, and then the next planner in here is going to be my monthly planner. Now my monthly planner I haven't shared a lot on, and that is because I had slowed down with my reading, and I mainly use this for reading. However, if you need a bunch of space to write down notes, to write down different things that you have going on, and you want a calendar attached, then the monthly planner is a great way to go. I'm gonna flip to the front and show you what it looks like. So with the monthly planner, you still get the monthly plan. It is exactly like the vertical style planner. You have your monthly spread, but this is where it gets different because you have journaling sheets. So these are just journaling sheets where you could just jot down different things that is happening, and you also get 3 months of the calendar and journaling sheets behind them. And the last planner that comes within here is my budget planner. My budget planner is probably the most detailed planner that I have, and it's mainly because of everything that I am trying to keep track of within here. So you have your savings, you also have your expense tracker, you have your monthly plan and your paycheck planning. And with this one, once again, you also get 3 months of this particular planner. So here is the front, the budget planner. You have your budget categories, the goals, money routine, and then it goes into your yearly finance overview. You also have your bills and subscriptions, your quarterly and monthly subscriptions, your debt reduction page, debt snowball tracker, yearly savings, savings trackers, savings jars, gifts, and then it goes into the first month. First month, you have your monthly calendar, you have your monthly budget, paycheck budget, monthly income tracker, budget check-in, and then your expense tracker. And then you have one notes page, and then it starts over with month 2. So these are the 4 planners that go into this system. This is my Tom system, and I am planning on doing a class that shows exactly how I use this planner. I have been getting a bunch of questions like, how do you make sure that you don't duplicate within your system? How do you make sure that you don't miss anything? How do you make time to get to each and every section? And I am planning on doing a class, a specific class, just for us to kind of talk about that and talk about those questions and answers and really help you to understand this system and how to use it. So this is exactly what comes with it. You do see you have the 5 dividers. The dividers are probably the biggest change or the biggest thing about this system that may or may not stay, because like I said, these are tool dividers, but I am planning on using frosted ones. I'm just trying to find the right ones that would really fit well with this system. But this is how this book will look. 3 months of every single one. You have 4 planners within here, and then you have an extra tab at the back. Now, with the extra tab, I do have some add-ons that you are able to add into this planner. So let's talk about the different add-ons that I have. I didn't make it to where it was automatic within this system. You can add on the additional downloads that I have created for my planner. So let's go through a few of them. You can add on a daily section. So this is for the 5th section in your planner if you wanted to do that, or create bottom and top tabs and have additional sections. I have my daily section. Within the daily section, you can get a bunch of these plan your day sheets. The plan your day sheets go from 6 a.m. until 3 a.m. in the morning. You have a to-do section here. You have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack where you can kind of plan out what you're going to eat for the day. And then you have an extra section down here where you could just write down anything that you would like to write down. You will get 40 of these, and that is 20 sheets back and front of plan your day, so that you're able to plan out at least for 40 days. Now, I don't use these every single day. That's why I decided to make it an add-on. I only use these when my schedule gets super busy and I really just need to map everything out. I need to take a moment to really think and brainstorm. That's when I use these sheets. So this is the first add-on that you can add, and they will just come as a separate section like this in its packaging along with the other sheets. Another section that you could possibly add is your to-do section. So this is another section that I don't use all the time, but if I need to brain dump and get a bunch of things out of my head, I will use this sheet in order to just jot down anything that I am thinking about. And it does help me to clear my head and feel better about the different things that I need to do. So once again, you get 20 of these, and they will be back and front so that you have 40 total. The next thing that I have as an add-on is journal paper. So I did create a personalized notebook. Within that notebook, I have 75 sheets of journaling paper where you can just jot down anything that's kind of going on, or if you want to take notes, you can keep it as a separate notebook, or you can add it within your planner. If you do decide to add it within your planner in that last section, you can order some extra sheets. This one comes with about 40 sheets. It's back and front. And so you are able to add this section into your planner if you feel like it will help you to organize. The next add-on that I have that's also a favorite is my habit tracker. So I use my habit tracker on a weekly basis in order to stay on top of all of my habits. I will usually write them all down at the beginning of the week and then check them off as I do it, and just mark down what habits I am currently working on. Now within mine, my habit tracker is always a bottom tab. So I have bottom tabs here, and within my schedule section, I do have this bottom tab, and it has my habit tracker here, so I can jot down any habits that I'm trying to keep up with for the week. So you can either do it like that, where you create bottom and top tabs, and I also will have top tabs if you are interested in getting some of those. They don't come directly with this planner, but you could add them on. So that will just be an additional feature that is coming to the shop. But the habit tracker is a great way to stay on top of new habits that you are trying to create. This is how I am making sure that I'm doing all the things that I said I was going to do at the beginning of the week. And the last section is my home section. This is another add-on to where if you wanted to use additional sheets besides for the sections in your planner, because I keep it within my planner, I'm using a vertical style planner for planning home and personal life. However, sometimes I do want to keep track of my cleaning. And so my cleaning, I will use these sheets in order to kind of stay on top of the different things for my home. And usually I will mark them down in different ways. Sometimes I will mark down the different rooms, like I'll put living room, dining room, kitchen, bathrooms, master bath, and kids, or something like that. Or the other way that I have been doing it is marking down the days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I will write down everything that I have cleaned for that particular day so that I can kind of keep track of the last time that I cleaned a particular area. So this is another favorite that I have been using over the course of the last 3 years. And so if you decided to add this on, you also are able to add these on and stick them in your planner as well. The reason why I love this system so much is because of the way it can be customized. I could switch out any of these sections at any point in time when I need them. So if I feel like my home is getting off track, I can pull these out and really get back organized. If I feel like I need to do more reading or journaling, I have my journaling section. If I feel like I need to brain dump, I also have my to-do section. And if I'm just having a crazy day, I have daily stuff that I can write in here as well. But being able to switch it in and out to fit your needs is super helpful because life doesn't stay the same. Life changes so much. We get married, we have kids grow up, they leave our home. There's so much going on and so much that can happen to your life, especially throughout the course of a year. So this is why I always recommend that you have a customizable planner, something that you can adjust and change and kind of move around so that you know exactly where everything is and you can organize as you see fit. So this is the created planner. This is exactly what it looks like. And of course, since I already have one of these, I am going to give this away. So I'm going to give someone this particular planner and all of these inserts that I have created and mail it to you so that you can create your own system. So if you're interested in getting my Tom 90 planner, which is 3 months of 4 planners and a bunch of other inserts and other things that you can customize to make it fit your own, make sure that you put a comment below letting me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. So if you love this system as much as I do, you have 2 options. If you already have my downloads, if you have already purchased them in the past, these are the exact same downloads. I have just arranged them differently. So you could always just go back, print what you have, and put this system together exactly how I have. However, if you want me to help you to customize, or if you want to just purchase it and have it mailed to you, I will have a link in the description box because these will be going on pre-sale. I am planning on starting to mail them out around the 20th of this month. So if you are interested, make sure that you check out my Etsy link as it will link directly to this planner. Now, if you have a bunch of questions or you're not quite sure how to customize your planner, how to set it up, or what categories you may need in order to do that, you can book a clarity call with me and I can help you set up your planner on your own to make sure that you can organize your life the way that you want to. So guys, I know that this one has been a long time in the making. Y'all have been asking me for this planner for so long to have it look exactly like mine, and it took took me a while to figure out exactly how I wanted to do it, how many planners it was going to serve, how long I was going to be able to keep it in there, because I just didn't want to only have 1 month of a planner that I mailed out, because then you would have to come back every single month. But I feel like having a quarter is a nice amount of time to where you can see if the system works for you, and if it doesn't, then you can always switch off of it for the next quarter. You still get a nice amount of planner downloads and everything that you need in order to keep your system going. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure that you leave a comment if you want to be entered in for the giveaway, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.